Hey tubers, Ghost Fall 86 here at the river with the freighter Calumet. So we're going to follow the Calumet as she goes up the river. So we're going to follow the Calumet freighter from Canada. This freighter is also a frequent visitor to my channel. Whenever I get a chance to see her, and the Calumet's really trucking down up the river. Sorry tubers, I'm just trying to get a better angle of the Calumet. Thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye, and enjoy the video of the freighter Calumet. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Who knows what freighter I'll come up with next.